Quick checkup. Our AI doctor says my symptoms are buffering. Good news, diagnoses now load faster than my excuses. First, in the vast, intricate ecosystem of human health, a remarkable transformation is underway. For millennia, our approach to medicine has been one of reaction, a battle fought once disease has taken hold. But now, from advanced hospitals to the simplest clinics in remote regions, a quiet but profound revolution is taking shape. It is a shift driven by ingenuity, a fusion of human intellect and technological prowess, fundamentally altering our well-being. We are moving from treatment to prediction and prevention. Tools are becoming more intelligent, more personal, and more accessible. This is not distant science fiction. It is unfolding right now in the year 2025. First, in the complex tapestry of medical imaging, artificial intelligence is becoming a new kind of eye. AI-driven tools can analyze images and data faster and with growing accuracy, helping doctors catch disease earlier and extending diagnostic reach to underserved regions, including parts of Africa. Well, this is changing who can get timely diagnoses and where they can get them. Second, here, in the theater of surgery, a new partnership is born between human and machine. Robotic platforms enhance surgical precision and can shorten recovery times. Remote operation, training, expand specialist care to areas lacking surgeons. It steadies the hand and broadens access. Third, the ancient bond between patient and healer is no longer constrained by physical distance. Telemedicine connects patients and clinicians across vast expanses, improving continuity of care and triage while lowering barriers for rural and low-resource communities. And well, that means more people get the care they need when they need it. Fourth, on our very own skin, a silent story is being told. Wearables deliver continuous physiological data, heart rate, glucose trends, biomarkers, enabling early intervention and empowering patients to manage chronic conditions with newfound awareness, Fifth, treatment. Once confined to pills and procedures, now arrives through our screens. Well, regulated software treatments deliver cognitive and behavioral therapies at scale, helping treat conditions like diabetes, mental health disorders, addiction with remarkable accessibility. Sixth, within each of us lies a unique biological code, the very blueprint of our life. Faster, cheaper sequencing tailors treatments to individual biology and helps map population risk, opening new prevention and therapy strategies worldwide. Seventh, at a scale almost too small to comprehend, a new form of medicine is taking shape. Nanoparticles, nanoscale devices enable targeted drug delivery and cellular-level diagnostics, promising more effective therapies with fewer side effects, Eighth, like nature itself, we are learning to build from the ground up. Bioprinting builds tissue scaffolds, organ models for surgery planning, regenerative research, with the long-term audacious aim of replacing damaged tissues. Ninth, for those who hold our lives in their hands, practice can now be perfected without risk. Immersive virtual reality simulations train clinicians in realistic scenarios, accelerating skill acquisition, reducing patient risk, and enabling remote education, 10th, in a world of data, trust is the most precious currency. Blockchain can secure medical records, streamline data exchange, build patient trust, critical for cross-border care, and reliable public health data in a connected world. The technologies we have witnessed are more than just remarkable inventions. They are expressions of a fundamental human drive, the desire to care for one another, to overcome suffering, and to understand the profound mystery of our own bodies. This is not a story of machines replacing humanity, but of technology amplifying our capacity for compassion and precision. The path forward will require wisdom, collaboration, and a deep commitment to ensuring these powerful tools benefit all of humanity, not just a privileged few. As we stand on this precipice of change, the potential for a healthier, more equitable world seems closer than ever. The journey of medicine is a continuous exploration. each discovery building upon the last, weaving a richer understanding of life itself. The challenges remain formidable, but our ability to meet them is growing at an unprecedented rate. This is a time of great hope and even greater responsibility. The future of health is not something that simply happens to us. It is something we are all building together, one breakthrough at a time. The questions we ask today will lead to the cures of tomorrow. The story is far from over. In fact, it is just beginning. Medicine is evolving. Stay curious. Subscribe for more. This was Medvinsky. If your heart rate spiked, subscribe, share, and like. It's doctor recommended for your algorithmic health. See you on the next rounds.